Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to be looking at Unit 6, Lesson 9. This is your last lesson in this unit, so pay attention closely. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to graph points on the coordinate grid. All right, graphing points. So to graph points, we got to remember a couple things. The first one is this is the x. X goes side to side. Y goes up and down. We also need to remember that when we have our ordered pairs, our two numbers, X always comes first, Y always comes second. Okay. Then remember those quadrants. Remember which positives go on what side, negatives go on what side. Okay. So let's look at this one. To plot A, start at the origin. Remember the origin is right there where the two axes or the two lines meet. And move, well, it says to move 3. So we're going to move 3 to the right. Let me put that in there for you. Okay, so we're going to go 3 to the right. And it doesn't mean 3 boxes. It means 3 lines. So I'm going to go over, oops, let me get my pencil again. And I'm going to get a different color so you can really see it. So I'm going to move over 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. So right here. Then I'm going to go 4 lines, and I'm going to do down on this one. Why am I doing down? Because it's negative. So I'm going to go down 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where my point or my dot goes. Okay. All right, I'm going to pick another color so you can see it real well. B. B says 2. So I'm going to move 2 units, and it's a positive, so I'm going 2 lines over. So right again. And it says 0 for Y, so I'm going 0 units down or up. So that's a really bad O. So I'm going over 2, but I'm not going up and I'm not going down, so this point is on the x-axis. Great job. All right, let's go over here. Here we have a whole bunch we have to plot. So let's get started. I'm going to do the first 5 with you, and then we'll let you do the last 5. All right, let's start with A. We're going to go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 because it's positive. And we're going up 1 because it's positive. And I'm going to label it. Always label it. So that's A. All right. Get a different color with this one. So B. Okay. B says go over 0, but we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we went down because that's a negative number. So put B there. All right, C. C says to go left because it is a negative number. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to go down because it's a negative number. 1, 2. So that's where C is going to go. Labeling it. Let's get a different color. Okay, D. I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because it's positive. Down 3 because it's negative. 1, 2, 3. That's D. Okay, I'm going to do one more, and then you're going to do the next 5 by yourself. Okay, D, or E, I mean. E says go over 1 because it's positive, but don't move up or down at all. Go 0. So that's going to be right here is E. All right, go ahead and pause this video and then go ahead and do the last 5 by yourself. Come back and see if you got them correct. All right, for F, you should have gone over 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should have put F right here. and you should have labeled it. Okay, for G, you should have gone to the left 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 2. So right here would be G. Okay. For H, I would have gone over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's H. Let's get these last two. Okay. I go over 1 and down 4 because they're both negative. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 would be right here. And that would be I. One more. Let's pick this one. J over 2. So 1, 2, and down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 would be right here. And that was J. All right, so let's look at this one. If we start at G, so get a color. I'm gonna get yellow, I think. G. So I'm starting here, and I move 1 unit right. So I move over here, and 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. What point do I land on? Well, I land on C. Great job. All right, you're done with this lesson. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft, and I'll see you for the review.